Hello and welcome to this OpenTX quick tip. Now, for those of you that have been on the channel for a long time, you'll know I have series on OpenTX, the Taranas, the QX7, the X7S, the x-lite and all the other radios as well. But there does seem to be a couple of gotchas that's catching new pilots out. So this is about one specific error about the SD card warning that you can get when you fire up your radio. Now, what's actually happening here is the radio is expecting a certain version of contents on the SD card that matches the version of OpenTX that you flashed onto the radio. And if there's a mismatch, then that's the warning. Now, in reality, it's not going to stop your radio from working, but it is one of those annoying things and it's relatively easy to fix. Now, the actual details itself of what version of contents are on the SD card are held inside one little file, and that little file is in the root directory or the top directory of the SD card that you pop into the radio, and it's called OpenTX.SD card. And in there is the major version of OpenTX that it's supporting and also the version as well. So for example, this one is for OpenTX 2.2 and this is version 0018. But as we've just seen on the radio, the error that I'm getting, it says it's not happy because it's expecting version 1.6. So if we have this problem, what can we do? Well, the simplest thing to do is just download and install the right edition of the SD card contents that's going to match the radio. The radio's just told us which one it's expecting, so we need to go on the website and download them. Now, in OpenTX Companion, you can actually click on the download SD card contents and it will take you to this location on the web. I'll put this link in the description so you can just click on it and go to it directly without having to bother about Companion. And in there are the listings for all the different radio types. And then what you do is you just download the version that matches the one that your radio is asking you for. But in this particular instance, I can't see version 16 that my radio's after. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for the later version, version 18, and just edit that OpenTX.SD card file to fool the radio that it's actually got the right one. So I'm just going to open OpenTX.SD card and then I'm going to edit it V0016 because that's the one the radio is looking for, and copy all of those files that I've just downloaded. It gets downloaded as a zip file. So copy all of those into your SD card. Make sure, of course, that you have that OpenTX.SD card file in the root directory of the SD card you're using for your radio. And then next time you turn it on, you'll find that that error has disappeared. If you found that video useful or like the content, then please hit the like and subscribe button down below. If you want to go the extra step, you can become a Patreon of the Painless 360 channel and help provide support for what I do here. All the videos created here are put into playlists, so if you're interested in a particular topic, have a look at the playlist, and they all are organised in there to make them easier to use. If you're not sure if there's a video for your particular problem or topic you want to know more about, then add Painless 360 to the Google search term that you're interested in, and that should find the video, article or content about the particular thing that you're interested in having a look at.